What if I told you that you don't need Notion or Jira to run Kanban? Today I'll show you how to do it for free inside OneNote.
So basically what you do is that the same thing you can see here. Okay, to do in progress, done, on hold, and so on, right? So you have this to do in progress. So all you need is just like create, just type to do. Okay, very simple. Yeah, because the beauty of OneNote, this is an open canvas. Okay, now you don't have to be aligned. Later you can, organize it. Yeah, I can bold this and so on, right? So now what you need to do is create this. Yeah, this is the past. So I already created this. All you need is just go to insert table. Okay, so here we have like three informations, and then I just put in. You can put in your task or action. You can put task. Okay, person in charge, right? The PIC, who is responsible for it, and then the due date. That's it. Finish. Yeah. Now this is your card, right? Let me just format it, and then you see here. All you need is task. Okay, you can type in whatever, right? Okay, here and then the due date, right? So I can put in 25th December 2025, something like that. Yeah. Now it's the same thing here. I already created this. So here over here, I have this as a template. Then what you need to do is that you just come over here and copy, and then you can paste it, right? So this is how you create a new card, and then you cut a new task, right? Over here. Okay, you can see that, right? Now, once I start here, means I've started working on this, I can move it right over here. Exactly like the physical bomb, you see? So this is very simple, and you don't need to pay anything. Yeah, you can move this card, and then you can move this card, right? And then you can move it back if just in case, right? So this is done, you move it done. Okay. All right. Now, if you need more information, then you can add more so-called rows to it. It's just using a table.
So now you know how to set up OneNote as a Kanban board, create your own free template, and manage tasks visually. Simple, powerful, and cost-free.
Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.